The worth of every soul is great in the eyes of God.
Many of our fathers and brothers fought in the Revolutionary War and struggled to establish a government of liberty and equal rights upon this land. We violated no laws, yet thousands of our innocent people were driven from place to place at the peril of their lives.
Smith, get yourself up here. Don't you try nothing.
So good to see you. Mary?
Hiram, I brought someone to meet you. We have a fine new son.
One at a time.
As Joseph and Hiram languished in the Liberty Jail, waiting to be tried for their lives, our people were scattered across Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois.
Hello, Mary. And the children. I know this work is true. What a faithful heart you have, Hiram. Oh, God, where art thou?
My son, peace be unto thy soul. Thine adversity and thine afflictions shall be but a small moment. And then if thou endure it well, God shall exalt thee on high.